Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini. If you're new to this channel, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini. If you're new to this channel is all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. So, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, we will be trying out different blazers and how to style them. I don't know if you watched the last video. I had made mention of the fact that my try on videos or my styling videos, I will not come here all fully glammed out. That's why today my hair is just pulled up in a pony. But the goal of the videos are just for us to pick up different pieces and style them up together, see what works and what doesn't work. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So for the first blazer, we have this pink blazer that I got from Zara a few years ago. And we have the sheer skirt. I know sheer skirts now are a thing. So this one I got it from Ross. So this is how I can put it together. Underneath this, I'm wearing a bralette because I know it's hot outside. I don't want to put on so much stuff under my blazer. And again, the blazer is kind of long, right up to my thighs, and it has like this half cut. So I'll be looking at myself in the mirror. It has like this half cut right here. So this is it about this look. But I feel like this look is not complete. Let me add a belt on it and see how it looks. Okay. Okay, and there you go. After adding the belt onto this look, this is what it gives us. So tell me, what do you think? And let me show you guys how it looks at the back. You can wear this when you're going out for lunch with your friends. You can wear it in the night. So I think I like this look. I like it with the belt, and I like it even without the belt. So both ways work for me. Yeah, this is it for this look. Now let's go to blazer number two. So this is blazer number two. Clearly, this is an oversized blazer. Let me let down the sleeves. This is clearly an oversized blazer. So I want to wear this like a dress. What I'm gonna do is, first of all, I have two hairbands right here. I'm gonna put it up on my sleeves so that it can hold my sleeves up when I push up my blazer. So it can stay in place. This is the next one, and this is how it looks like. But again, I think something is missing. Let me see. So I have two belts. I'm going to be trying them out to see which one is going to work best. So let me try out this one. The first belt. What do you think? And one more thing. Adding up a pair of boots is going to make this look edgy. So let's see. Let's try that out and see if it works. Okay, so this is the next look with a pair of boots. I don't know what you guys think. And again, during the winter months, when it's cold outside, you can go ahead and add some tights to keep you warm throughout the day or throughout the night, whenever you choose to wear this look. But to me, I think I can wear this daytime and nighttime. So let me look at the mirror and see how it looks. Oops. Yeah, I think I'm liking this look. I think it looks, I like it. Let me try the other belt. Let's see. So I'm going to use the pink side of the belt because it's two-sided. You have the pink and you have the brown. So I'm going to use the pink side to just give it a pop of color. Here we are. Look at my mirror one more time. I think with both belts, it's okay. It just depends on which one you want to use. So the black belt and with this pink belt, it all works out. And this is how it looks from the back. But again, if you do not want to wear the boots, you can go ahead and put on a pair of heels, whatever keeps you comfortable. I think anything will work with this look. So this is the next blazer. So let's go now for blazer number 3. So here we are with blazer number 3. Again, these are the summer months. It's quite hot outside, so under my blazers, I really do not like putting on anything under my blazers. I would rather go for a bralette every time, or any good little thing you can put on under a blazer that wouldn't make you feel so much. And again, I would go with my headbands, this rubber bands, where I can be able to put on my sleeves and pull them up so that my blazers will be able to stay in place while I figure out the rest of the look. Yeah, I do this so much with my blazers because I feel like, in as much as I love to wear blazers, I do not always want to feel or look too formal. I want to look relaxed and easygoing. So for this look, I'm putting on a pair of shorts that I got from, I think I got this from JC Penney, and the blazer is from Shop Akira. So yeah, and this is it for the next look. If you like, you can button it up, but I will not want to button this up. No, I'd rather leave it like this. And this is it for this look. What do you think? I like the color, I like the brightness of it. It says summer, it's screaming summer. So this is it for this look, and let me come up with another look. So here is another blazer. What I love about this blazer are the sleeves. You see like the padded sleeves right here, and this little thing going on right here on the blazer. So let me put on this first. So for this blazer, I paired it with a dress, a bodycon dress that I got from J Luxe label. I'm not putting on a waist trainer for now. That's why I have all of this going on here. So this is how I'm going to pair this blazer with this dress. You could wear this with a black, something that would be much more contrasting to the color of the blazer, because the blazer is like a creamy kind of color. It's linen like, which is good for vacation. Very airy and lightweight. So this is how I can put on my blazer. Let me show you guys how it looks at the back. So this is this for this blazer. I will be coming back with this blazer, I think, with a pair of pants. The next blazer that I'll be styling will be this yellow blazer. As you can see, it's also heavily padded right here. This is a unisex blazer for males and females, and I'm wearing it with this brown leather and oh, I'm forgetting how they call this fabric. It's a mixed kind of fabric, but you have patches of leather by the side, and this oh, I'm forgetting how to call this fabric. Anyway, but this is how I'm styling this. So just throwing it over my short skirt to make it look a little bit decent, because as it is at this point, it kind of looks short, but I still like it. I like it though. So yeah, this is how it is. And again, my style of putting on my blazers, I always like to pull up the sleeves. Any day, anytime. I love to pull up the sleeves. I want to look formal, but again, I still want to feel like I'm having a relaxed look. So this is it. You can wear this with any kind of shoes, with pumps. You can put on boots, short boots. You can put on long boots. You can put on sandals. You can put on anything. Let me try on some heels so you guys should see. this is an example of some heels that I put on right here. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is it for this look. Tell me what you think. And I think I have one more blazer that I want to try on, and I'll be right back. So this is the next look for my blazer. So the idea behind this look is going to church. Again, like I'm always doing, I'll always pull up the sleeves of my blazer to make it look good. That's how I want it. That's how I prefer it. Except that my blazer is really, really well structured before I'll be able to let the sleeves right down to my wrist. But for now, anytime that I'm putting on a blazer, like this one, is clearly an oversized blazer. So I chose to go with the same color as a base, this white sleeveless top from Shein, and this skirt. I've forgotten where I got it from. I think it's from Ross. And this blazer was from H&M. So let me show you how it looks with the sleeves down. Look, that's how it looks. But when you pull it up and you use the hair bands, it just changes the whole look. And see right now, see how it looks. And again, as a footwear, you can go ahead and wear whatever kind of shoes that make you feel comfortable. With this, you can put on a pair of, let's say, Sambas. You can put on very low Vans. It's gonna work for this look. So this is the look I have with this blazer. Tell me what you think. And before I end this video, I just want to say that blazers are a must-have in your closet. A blazer, you can style it up, you can style it down, you can wear it at daytime, nighttime, you can wear it to parties, you can wear it anywhere and anytime. It just depends on how you want or what kind of look you want to give out there. So having a blazer in your closet is a must-have. So I think that is it for the video of today. I'm kind of really tired because I was working. So yeah, if you love the video, please like it, subscribe, and share the video. And again, thank you guys for joining me on this little style trip, and see you again in the next video. And bye.